Hello, everyone. Very warm welcome to you all again with the yet another session of OCM's lecture. Okay. Till now we have done with the till now we have done in fifth chapter with various types of e-business transactions. Yes, we have also learned about e-business benefits. What all are the benefits, and we have seen what all are the disadvantages or limitations of e-business. And today we are going to learn about online transactions, that how online transactions are there, what what procedure is there in online transaction. If a person wants to purchase anything online, what is the procedure, what is the mode of payment, how online transaction is takes place. Okay, that we are going to learn today, okay, in this lecture. Okay, we have seen benefits of e-business. In that, first point was ease of formation, then lower investment requirement, then convenience, then speed, then global access, then movement towards a paperless society, then government support and easy payment. These were the benefits of e-business transaction. Yes. Then we have seen limitation of e-business. Yes. In that we have seen lack of personal touch and delivery time. We have seen first two points of limitations. Uh, we'll finish these 3 points and then we'll switch to online transaction. Okay. So limitation of e-business means uh, what are the where e-business is lacking behind. Okay, where e-business is lacking behind. What are the demerits of e-business? Okay, first one was lack of personal touch, means people cannot feel and touch the product, so they hesitate to purchase it. Many a time it happens that because we cannot touch the product, we can see we can't see the fabric, we can see we can say feel the product, examine the quality of it. Because of that we hesitate to purchase it. Yes. Next one is delivery time. It may take time to deliver the product. Yes, it may take time. It may damage, your product may damage. Like suppose कि आपने कुछ कांच की चीजें मंगवाई है, वो मे भी टूट भी सकती है. Yes, means delivery time means it may take time. ऐसा नहीं है कि हमने आज ऑर्डर किया तो वो शाम में हमारे घर पे आ जाएगा. No, it's not like that. Okay. Next one is security issues. Yes, security issues means you're in online transaction, you're paying online. Yes, you're paying online means you're um, what we say, you're sharing your bank details with the second party. Yes, you're like many a times they ask you about your debit card details. Yes, your bank account is there with the second party. Means security means insecurity is there about your product. You need to start account, you need to give your address, you need to give your details. Means what? Means यह आपकी हर एक चीज जो है, आपके बारे में जो जो इंफॉर्मेशन है, वो लीक हो सकती है, वो गलत हाथों में भी जा सकती है. यस, और कोई और उसका मिसयूज कर सकता है. सम पर्सन कैन मिसयूज इट. मीन्स सिक्योरिटी इश्यूज आर देयर इन ऑनलाइन ट्रांजैक्शन. ओके. काफी बार क्या होता है कि फ्रॉड्स वगैरह होते हैं. कुछ लोगों ने आपको कहा कि आपको ये माल देंगे, ये साड़ी देंगे, ये ड्रेस देंगे, ये ऑनलाइन कुछ मंगाया आपने, यू हैव परचेज सम ऑनलाइन गैजेट, यू हैव पेड फॉर इट, बट दैट वाज अ फ्रॉड वेबसाइट. इट मे हैपन, इट हैपन्स मैनी टाइम्स कि फ्रॉड वेबसाइट भी होते हैं, लोग आपके बैंक डिटेल्स निकाल लेते हैं, आपका अकाउंट हैक कर लेते हैं, मीन्स देर इज नो सिक्योरिटी फॉर योर personal details. Yes, because of e-business transaction. This is the third limitation, third demerit, third disadvantage of e-business transaction. And the fourth one is government interference. Government interference means many a times it happens that government is interfering in your business. Okay, government is telling you that you can't do the business according, that you need to do the business according to this norms, according to this rules, means government interference is also there in the e-business transactions. Okay, and then high risk. High risk means you're sharing your details with that samne wala party, that second party, that second party can misuse your information. Plus, you have asked for some red color sari, it may send you maroon color sari or pink color sari. It happens aisa hua hai. Means what? The risk is very high in e-business transaction. You have paid that person, but many a times it happens that वो product, that product have not delivered to you. You have paid 2000 rupees for that product, but that person haven't delivered that product to your home. Means what? That was a fake ID. Means risk is very high. Here we can say risk is very high. Means in online transaction there is lack of personal touch, there is problem of delivery time, there is problem of security issues, then there's a government interference, and the risk is very high in e-business transaction. Okay, these were the limitation of e-business. Okay, now we move to online transaction. Online transaction occurs when the process of buying and selling takes place through internet. Yes, when buyer and seller both are involved in buying and selling through internet, that is known as online transaction. ओके, जहाँ बायर और सेलर दोनों इंटरनेट की हेल्प से बिजनेस कर रहे हैं, उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? ऑनलाइन ट्रांजैक्शन. ओके, and without internet online transaction cannot takes place. All right. Okay, so procedure, what is the procedure for online transaction? See, procedure means stepwise. Whenever it is asked in your exam for procedure of online transaction, you need to give the information stepwise. Okay, you can't say check first, placing the order second, and registration third. No, you can't put the points like this. You need to give it stepwise. Okay, what is given here in the first point? Registration. Yes, if you are doing a online transaction, you need to buy something. First you need to register yourself online on that particular website. You need to register yourself on that particular website. Okay, they ask you your name, your address, where you stay, your email ID, your phone number, your bank. Yes, from which bank you going to pay the payment. Yes, what is your payment mode, your bank details. They ask you all this, and all this information are is given by the buyer to the seller on that website. Okay, means now that website is having your details. They have your name, they have your address, they have your mobile number, they have your bank details, they have your email ID. Means all this details is shared by the buyer himself to the seller through online transaction. Okay, this is the first step of registration. Yes, and the next one is placing an order. Yes, if you if you're shopping for an electronic gadget, okay, anything like you're shopping for Bluetooth, yes, headphones, you're shopping for that. You'll go to the product, you'll see the color, you'll see the quality, you'll see different brands. If you like one headphone, you'll keep that in your shopping cart. जैसे हम shopping के लिए जाते हैं, हम basket रखते हैं. If you go in a mall, we have a basket there. Yes, whatever we like, we put that in a basket. Yes, in the same manner, if you're shopping online, you have shopping cart, CART, cart. Okay, in that you just put what you liked. Okay, so placing an order means you see the price of the product, you see the quality of the product, you choose the color, which one you want, you give them the quantity, how much you want. Okay, you keep it in the shopping cart. Okay, so this is the second step, that you are placing, you have registered yourself and now you are placing an order. Okay, third one is payment mechanism. Payment mechanism means आपने रजिस्टर कर लिया अपने आप को, आपने ऑर्डर भी दे दिया. Now the seller will ask you the mode of payment, like how you will be paying the money. Yes, first one is cash on delivery, means when the goods will be arrived, when goods will be delivered to your home, you will give cash to that person and you will take the product. Means cash on delivery, cash will be given only when the delivery have done of that प्रोडक्ट. यस, मीन जब आपके घर पे प्रोडक्ट आ जाता है, वो बंदे को आप क्या देते हो, कैश. मीन फर्स्ट मोड ऑफ पेमेंट इज कैश ऑन डिलीवरी. यस, सेकंड इज चेक. यस, means you're paying by check, you're giving check to that person. Yes, you're sending check to that person. वो चेक को वो बंदा क्या करेगा, बैंक में जाएगा, उसके पैसे बनाएगा. when that check is matured, only after that, that the person, that seller will dispatch your product. जब उसको पैसे मिल जाएंगे चेक के थ्रू आपसे, उसके बाद ही वो जो माल है जो उसको बेचना है आपको, वो डिस्पैच मतलब निकालेगा बाहर आपको बेचने के लिए. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज net banking transfer. Means you are asking for seller's bank account number, or how you should give, like Google Pay is there, Phone Pay is there, Paytm is there, QR code is there. Yes, through that you can do the, you can transfer in his bank, through your bank you can transfer to his bank account. This is net banking transfer. Okay, this is net banking transfer, where you're transferring the money through internet. Okay, next one is credit or debit card. Okay, credit or debit card means when the person comes to you, you're uh, at the time of delivery, you're paying him through credit card or debit card. Yes, if you're paying through credit or debit card, you can pay at the time of placing the order. Also you need to give the details of a debit card and the amount will be deducted from your account. And the last one is digital cash. Through digital cash also money can be paid. Okay, so today we have seen, just a minute, today we have seen about uh, we have finished with limitations of e-business. Yes, in that we have seen lack of personal touch, then we have seen delivery time, then security issues, then government interference, high risk. Yes, online transaction we have started and we are done with it today. Yes, what is the procedure of online transaction? Once first you need to register yourself, then you need to place the order, and after placing the order, the payment, the seller will ask you about payment mode. Yes, you can give the payment through cash on delivery, through check, through internet, through net banking transfer, through cards, credit or debit card. Credit or debit card are also known as plastic money. Okay, because the card is of plastic, that is why it also known as credit or debit card. That is also known as plastic money or digital cash. Okay, Okay, so today we learned about online transaction. We have done with online transactions. Okay, if you have any doubt, children, please ask me. I'll clear your doubts and try to complete your notes. Okay, till then, children, stay home and study.